What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Comments Sunday, where I just read out your comments throughout the week from the videos I've put up. We'll just jump into today. I mean, there isn't that many comments, so I'm not expecting this video to be too long. But if you're new here and you're wondering what this is, if you check out my other videos, guys, basically it's my way of just like kind of bringing up your comments from the end throughout the week of the videos, reading them and giving them a bit of reaction to them. It's a discussion channel, guys, and we're here to discuss about what some of the car YouTubers do and just my own thoughts and opinions. That's all it is, as I said, there isn't really that much today. I'm going to be probably end up just touching on Stradman and Mr. Organik, probably mostly, because they're the only two really that have been commented on, and probably touch on ice cream vlogs as well. So I'm trying to remember which was the one that had comments on him. Oh yes, the Stradman. So this video that I did, guys, was just basically which I said directly into on the video that I put it up there, the fans weren't happy with it, and they weren't, and the comments were all there, and that's basically was it. That's all I said. So Mythical Plays basically said, will you get an AE86? So my comment to that was AE86s, guys, we've done under a 1.6 twin cam. You get them in a coupe and boot version. I could never afford an AE86 twin cam here in Ireland. They are crazy expensive. Shells, even the shells alone go for a few €1,000. I think a mint condition wouldn't be looking at anywhere around €20,000 for one of those cars. I remember they used to be plentiful back in the modifying days, but wouldn't even see them up for sale really anymore, and they go for huge money. I couldn't afford an A86. If we get big enough, guys, smash the subscribe button maybe someday. YBA mentioning Stradman on his platform does nothing for his fan base, so why would he? Now, YBA comments a lot on my videos sometimes. I don't know. I don't think I'm not sure if he even likes my channel. He's probably a Mr. Organic supporter. I don't know. And obviously he doesn't probably like my thoughts and opinions. That is up to him. I don't delete his comments. He had another one on there, but it didn't come up. I did respond to it. I explained everything this in the video. That was explained in the video. I wasn't going to go answering it again below. I just didn't need to. I said it already. If Stradman did this just for views, it kind of did backfire, as per what people said in the comments in this video. And if basically Jeffree Star didn't mention him in it and he just did it to try and get views, I don't think it was a very good move. But if they both agreed to collab and Jeffree should have actually mentioned him, then that should have happened. But it doesn't look like it. Just looks like that Stradman actually just went there and and was hoping it would get views and people to come over, but it obviously didn't, and people basically said they didn't like it in his post on his community page. That was basically it. I just left it at that, really. So yeah, Stradman's been doing fine. It was that one thing that I was curious to see what people were saying about when he posted up. He was trying to really push it on people to actually watch it, and people were like, no, we don't want you hanging around with Jeffree Star, and so be it. They're the fans, they know what they want. This is the only other comment I got, guys, was House of Hoops highlights. Mr. Organik just bought a Ferrari F8 Spider. I know you haters about to be sick to your stomach. God, I was trying to hold off to talk about Mr. Organik, because I'm at a point now where it's like some of his followers are just they're too far gone in my eyes to even bother trying to explain. For the 50,000th time, we're not. I don't know about ice cream, right? Ice cream covers him a lot. He's the one that gets the facts. I literally just comment on it, guys. I'm not a hater. I just don't like the way he does business and the way he kind of acts. It's just, it's not right. He did say he was getting a Ferrari at the start of the year, which he didn't. Ice Cream is after making a video now saying he's checked who owns it and it's not in Organik's name. Me personally, I'm getting to a point where I really don't care anymore. I shouldn't, because look, all I'm saying is if he's gotten the Ferrari and bought it properly, which if you're getting it in a car park delivered, it's a bit skeptical, and now Ice Cream says that, look, it's it basically has you know, let's just go to Ice Cream Vlogs channel, that it's not even in his name. And I mean, like, all I'm doing is I'm just holding off. I'm waiting to see what content he does with the Ferrari, how long he has it for. If he has it for more than a month and a half or 2 months and he still does videos with it, hey, well done, congratulations getting a Ferrari. But if he makes like a few, like 3 or 4 or 5 videos with it, and it comes out saying, oh, my Ferrari broke, or I had to do something with it or get rid of it, like, if you can't accept that, there's no hope for you at all at the end of the day, as far as I'm concerned. He's doing his mansions, shopping, like, look, I think, like, it's proof, like, the facts are there. That's the way I look at it. I'm looking at, you know, like any other normal person would look at it. Like, he says he's going to do something, but it's either half-assed done or it's not done at all, and he's just penning it off until he says he's half-assed doing it, like getting a Ferrari. We don't even know. Like, Ice Cream said he found that it's not in Organik's name. So I'm just saying, guys, that we'll wait and see what he does with the videos. I don't hate Organik. I've said it 1,000 times. Get it into your heads. I don't hate him. I just don't like the way he goes about his videos and the way he's trying to clickbait and fake his way to making money and basically robbing people blind with the merchandise that he's selling. It's not nice, you know, and just faking his way through it and people believing what he's saying. Like, wake up, that's all I'll say. I'm one of these people, like, I don't look at my channel. I've told how much I save for a project car. I've told you I'm not rich. I don't try and fake anything. My titles aren't clickbait. You know, I hate clickbaiting. I try to avoid it myself as best I can. But, you know, Ice Cream covers all this, guys. I'm just giving my thoughts and opinions. I mean, look, at the end of the day, if you don't like it, that's not my issue. Like, you know, but coming onto my channel and saying I'm hating and stuff, I mean, why? Like, why? Because I can't have a discussion. It's like me sitting down at a bar having a pint, having a chat about it. I'm just having a discussion. I'm not trying to, you know, I'm just commenting on what I see, what they put out there, and just my own thoughts and opinions. Coming on calling me a hater and trying to defend Organik when he literally has not backed up anything that he's really kind of done until we see what happens with the Ferrari. He's got mansion hunting and all that kind of stuff. I don't know, guys. Look, I'm just waiting to see what happens. I don't try and cover him that much anymore because it's just, I mean, it's just like nobody listens really, like, for his followers when, you know, people like T-Side this word in the street. Ice Cream, myself, a few others have basically called it, and if you don't want to listen, guys, people are trying to help you to show that he's selling really bad merch, and just the way he's going about, the way he does stuff. It's just the way it is, you know. So yeah, that's today's video, guys. I don't want to drag it out all about Organik and stuff. Might have a video out tomorrow. If not, it will be Tuesday. But I'll get back on it. I've been really hectic lately, and I need to get back posting at proper times. The weekends are just hard for me because I'm busy. But yeah, again, thanks, guys, if you watched the end. Comment below if you want, but do get involved. Do smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you in the discussions below. But until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.